What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Guys, today we are doing an unboxing. We're here, we got our Monster Bass stuff. It is my favorite box of the year. Last year they did a box very similar to this. This one is even better. And like I've said before, I know what's in the Monster Bass box. I mean, I don't know exactly what's in mine. I know like most of the lures. And we also have the multi-species box, and I have no idea what the hell's in here. So let's go ahead and open the bag. The Monster Bass bag box, the bag box. It is June, baby, and it is time for topwater. Now, I have not been doing much freshwater fishing. The last time I did freshwater fishing, I ended up with this here. All this lovely stuff. Poison ivy. It's on my arm. It's on here. I don't get poison ivy ever. I never worry about touching any plants or anything like that, and it got me good. Not really good compared to like my buddy Keith when we were kids. He got it so bad it was literally everywhere on his places we're not going to name, stuff like that. But I can't get on my kayak because my roof rack is still broken. My car is still broken because the homeowner's insurance, this place is literally fighting us tooth and nail, even though they neglected to... Hi, Knox. Every time, Knox, that I'm doing a video, you want to be in it. So they neglected to remove a tree that should have been removed. And then the house got bought by somebody else, and apparently they never told him, so he didn't know that the tree needed to be removed, but the tree was rotted all the way through the middle, and we couldn't see it on our side, but the neighbors could see it perfectly on their side, the big rotted hole. And so the other day, the tree literally fell on my car. It wasn't raining, it was like sprinkling out, there was no wind. It was after a ton of snowstorms and stuff this winter, so luckily nothing happened then. It fell directly in between Tay and I's cars, but mine got the brunt of it. So I can't get out on the kayak. Becca's not here, so we can't go out on her boat. We can't take out, her kayak trailer. It's just, the freshwater fishing for me is not really something I can do unless I want to go from shore. And right now, after getting all of this all over my hands, listen, I'm just making excuses, but this box right here, this box bag, this is going to make me have to go from shore because I freaking love the summer months throwing topwater all day. I'll throw it all day. I'll throw it all night. So let's see what's in this topwater only bag. I am freaking jacked up for this. Oh my goodness gracious. Here we freaking go. This is, just looking at the front of this, I'm jacked up. I'm jacked. So, to start, we have the Z-Man hollow body frog. This thing's great. Used it before. Fan-freaking-tastic lure. I love the Z-Man. This is a popping frog, by the way, guys. So, I'm going to use this not in the thickest of pads, but when there's, sporadic pads or big holes in the pads, that's when I'm going to use this. This is a fantastic frog for that. We have the Vicious V-Pop 80. This is a big popper. And this thing is sick. I got a couple of them. You're going to be getting different patterns. So I got a couple different patterns here. This one's sideways, great. This one's more of a shad. This is an all white. You're going to be using them in places that are rocky, sandy, not a ton of weeds. Some of the sporadic weeds, they have trouble, so obviously you're going to have to think about that. But these will work fantastic in those places with, rocky bottoms during the nighttime, making a lot of noise. You'll get some big hits on these because these are bigger baits, and I love big topwater baits at night. It's one of my favorite things in the world. Then we got the brand new Patriot 3.0. You're going to work this around down stumps, sticks, all that kind of stuff. This is a walking style bait. I could use this for schoolies, and I have two of these, guys. I got two different colors. Again, this one here, it's freaking phenomenal. More of like a see-through, got that pink belly. And then this one here is just sick. This looks like some sort of bleeding, veiny, whatever. Now, the main thing about this new Patriot here is it's got the feathered back hook. They didn't have this on either of the other Patriots. Freaking fantastic. And this thing, this feather's going to actually help this walk a little bit better. Great, great topwater bait. So the first 3 baits we put out there are going to be used around, you know, structure. The poppin' frog can still be used in the pads. You don't want to really use the poppin' frogs in the thick stuff. It will still work, but not as well as, you know, something like this fat bastard, which is not in my bag, but this was in the one they sent me. And this one, I love the color. I love the white and the pink legs. This thing is going to be a killer. Killer. Now, this is the Pyro Pete. Last year I got a fat bastard frog in the topwater box. I don't know if you guys remember, but I was not a huge fan. It was by these guys. They have redesigned this whole thing. They've redesigned this whole thing. The lips redesigned. Everything about this frog looks totally different. And look at that. We love these little dangly spinners. And it's just got one tail. So we are going to give this thing a whirl. We're going to see if it's better than last year's fat bastard frog. And I'm excited to try it out. It looks like it's going to, you know, push a bunch of water. The last one went under the water. That was not my cup of tea. So as long as this one stays on the top of the water, throws water with this lip, and attracts fish with this dingle dangle, you can hear that noise it's making. I know them fish love the dingle dangles. Just like this is one of our frogs, a raw fishing. Jimmy turned us onto these frogs, and these things work great, and it's got that little dingle dangle just like that fat bastard. So really pumped to get that in the water. Next we have the Lunker Hunt Yappa bug. We used one of these last year. They work great. I like the rat more than the bug, but I do enjoy the noise they make. Again, not something you're going to throw in the thick shit, but around the sporadic pads and in that open water can really draw some big bites. Next we have the buzzing warmouth. This is kind of like a soft plastic frog. You're gonna hook this up with like a 3-0. Use these mustad hooks that I got on the first set of lures for this month. These will be perfect. Little offset, wide gap, 3-0 mustad hooks. Anything like that will work, and you're gonna just rig it, Texas rigged, and work this thing right on the top of the water. This you can throw in the thick shit, which is what I love the most. Next up, the Buzz Toad. Really cool looking lure. This is like a buzz bait meets a frog. Now you can use these frogs, like these rivets. You can use these rivets just like on a regular buzz bait, but this one is literally made for it. It's the Thunderhawk Buzz Toad. And again, this one's not for the thick stuff. This is going to be used around all the pads, all that stuff. Got another set, 3-0 mustad hooks. I love the red hooks, I don't know why. These always seem to do really well. We got our little booklet here. We got our golden ticket. We got a $10 gift card to Monster Bass. We got a ton of new stuff on here. New hats, new gear. A lot of cool stuff. You got Alex Rudd's dope crankbaits, guys. Fantastic stuff. And I love this sticker. This is a fantastic Monster Bass sticker. Monster Bass Mountain Dew style sticker. Really good stuff. But we are pumped to get out on the water with all these topwater lures. I am dying to get out on the freshwater. It's been a while. I've been targeting these I've been targeting these big striped bass lately, and I can't get enough of it. So it's, and you know, without Becca here making me do freshwater stuff, I really, and again, excuses, but doing it from shore with all the IV poison that I have on myself right now, I'm slowed down a little bit, but we're gonna get out there and we're gonna give it a whirl. We get a lot of fun stuff to try. Now stick around to the end of the video. We're gonna give a couple of these lures away. We're gonna give a couple away, not a lot because I need to use some of them, but a couple of the repeats. We'll throw some in this bag so you guys can get one of these monster bass bags. And that'll be that. Now, let's see what's in the multi-species box for the month. You guys know I love these multi-species boxes. The last one, man, those big bite bait tubes, holy crap, dude. I had so much fun with those. It's like the last time I went freshwater fishing, besides the carp. And you guys haven't seen it. That's actually supposed to be airing on the Monster Bass channel. I don't know when they're going to put it. Ooh, oh my god. I mean, they're just hooking me up, guys. Another color of the Patriot. That blackout. Whew, that's going to work really well. I'm going to throw that for schoolies at night. That's super cool, guys. Super cool. And a blackout version of the popper, and I love the pink top, dude. That's sick. That's probably my favorite one of all of them. Whew, that's sick. All right, let's see. We got some Strike King Bitsy tubes. So these are a little bit bigger than the tubes we had, the big bite bait tubes. These are sick though. Freaking dope. I wonder if they came with some tube jigs in here. Alright. We got some big bite bait jig heads, small jig heads. These are sick looking. And they gave us some baits to pair with them. The curly tail crappie minnow. That just looks dope. We could definitely try these out in the saltwater, see if we can't get something. As long as the tide's not ripping. We'll have to put a little more weight on. Or maybe put these on kind of like a high-low rig. See what we can do. The Jack Slap blade, guys. We got a couple of these. I still haven't put them to the test yet. They look phenomenal. Catch makes some seriously good stuff. So we're gonna have to check that out. Some more crappie jigs with spinners on them, guys. That's sick. And these are Lucky Strike. Another pack of 3/0 hooks. Can't get enough of the terminal tackle. And a second Pyro Pete, so we know that's going to be in the giveaway. Pyro Pete. We got our golden ticket. So we're going to give away both the golden tickets. We're going to give away the $10 gift card. We're going to give away one of these. So let's get this together. Let's get this giveaway together, guys. So I got 2 golden tickets, which if you listen to the Monster Bass Live, that's how you... Where the hell did it go? Okay. They call out these numbers and you have the chance to win. So I got 2 golden tickets. Dose. So we're going to give those away. Where's the bag? There's the gosh darn bag. Alright. 2 of the golden tickets going in the bag. 1 of the Mountain Dew Monster Bass stickers going in the bag. We're going to give away, let's see. I got 2 of the Buzzing Warmouths. So we're going to give away this package of the Buzzing Warmouths. I don't want to give away one of the Patriots, but I'm going to. Now, which one? Oh, let's give away a Thunderhawk, because I got 2 of those. Got 2 of the Thunderhawks, so let's give that away. I'm going to keep this frog. Did I already put the other fat bastard in here? Okay, so a Pyro Pete. one of the Pyro Pete's. Let's give away one of these Vicious. We got 3 of them. I'm gonna keep the all white one for myself, and the black and pink. So we're gonna give this like shad one away. I'm gonna give away the Yappa Bug. I'm gonna give away this golden jackslap. I still have 2 of the silver ones, so we're gonna give that jackslap away. I'll give away one of these packages of hooks. I'm gonna keep 2 of them for myself. I'm gonna keep the Poppin' Frog from Z-Man. We're gonna keep that. Oh man, which Patriot should we give away? I like them all. Oh man. Alright, let's give this. We're gonna give this one away. Because I just have to have this one. I have to have the blackout. Because it's just the way it is. Some things will never change. And that's just the way it is. Alright, so let's put this back in here. This is the Patriot 3.0. So we're going to give one of those away. Boom, 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 boom. Patriot 3.0. And that is that. Because we're going to keep all the rest of the stuff. So that's a nice full bag of stuff, guys, for you. With the 2, and I'm going to include one of these $10 gift cards for Monster Bass. So you can spend it whichever way you'd like. Actually, you know what? I'll include both of them. Because Monster Bass hooks me up. I don't need a $10 gift card, but you guys could definitely use it. One of you fine folk out there. So, that's it. That's both the bags. That's the giveaway. We will catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Fish out. Also, we really need to get out and use these lures. Yeah. Stoked for the top water. Stoked. Let's go.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.